Hello, my name is Randy Barr, Director of Sales for American Emergency Vehicles. We want to welcome you to another year of FDIC 2025 here in Indianapolis. Got a beautiful booth this year. We want to talk about all the trucks we're showing and just give you some highlights of what you'll see at AEV. First truck we're going to talk about is Children's Mercy out of Kansas City. This is a children's hospital, very renowned in the country and respected in the industry they're in. They've been buying trucks for AEV for many, many years. This is a 182-inch body, 74-inch interior headroom on a quad cab Freightliner. Also built for long distance transport for picking up children at rural hospitals, bringing them back to Kansas City, or transferring to different hospitals. A few highlights of this truck we'll talk about. As you can see, it's a beautiful, beautiful color green. This customer does a different color for every truck they build. As you can see, it's a faded color design. Very, very, very nice trucks to work on at the factory. It's got windows on both sides of the truck, as you'll see, with shades. It's got the recessed AEV windows into the doors without the flanges. It does have a body drop forward of the step wells, and as you can see, a two-step step well going inside of the truck. Other things this truck feature are dual racks for air bottles. It also features dual racks for oxygen bottles on the other side of the truck. On this side of the truck, you'll see the dual oxygen bottles. As you can see, they're tied together at this cascade, so as they empty, they'll empty together. Also, the additional window on the other side of the truck with the window shades. Electrical compartment, access for storage, and this truck also features a 10 kW generator. As you can see, what we're powering with that generator, if you look inside the truck here, we have two 110 AC systems in the ceiling. This is in addition to your 12-volt system. This truck also has an AC condenser on the roof to better boost the efficiency of the OEM system. The truck itself, as you see, it's very ergonomically designed for the crew, taking care of the sick child or the family. Surrounded seating around the patient, so you can see where the actual walls are recessed back for your feet area. Also, your little recesses on the curbside for people's heels to go into, just to give them more feet area, more working room. Ergonomically designed with seats around the patient, as well as drawers for access to equipment, and also has dual switch panels in the back. So one on the curbside, one on the street side for access from either side. The next truck we're going to talk about is City of Sheboygan Fire Department. These guys are out of Wisconsin on the truck sold by ARV. One thing we're showing this year with both of our F-Series trucks is a door forward design. It's becoming more and more popular. What it allows you to do is move your entry door to the very front of the truck. It allows you to move your storage cabinet rear to the entry door, giving you better access while you're in the seated position in the truck. Both trucks you'll see will have this, again, a dual step well, body drop that allow you easier access into the truck. But here's your storage compartment that's moved rearward from the front of the truck. So this will give you inside-outside access to the seating position on the squad bench, as give you the same access on the outside to get your equipment out. But it also gives you a little bit more barrier between the front of the truck and the seating position, you know, from a safety standpoint. This truck, as you can see, is a beautiful design truck with the gold leaf, the black and the red colors with the gold. M-Series warning lights, LED, skirt rail lights, warning and ground lights underneath. But as we go around the other side of the truck, you'll notice all these compartments are built, again, for the fire department's equipment. So SCBA mount in the corner, place for their turnout gears to be hanging on the walls, boots, flashlight. As we keep going forward, what we call the M2 compartment, intermediate compartment, another gear compartment for the fire department. Again, the SCBA mount in the corner, storage shelves for gear, for turnout gear. Front of the truck, again, the oxygen compartment. And then above the oxygen compartment, as you can see, is our M1A compartment. We try to relocate our electrical components that you don't particularly need out of the way to give you more access, more space in your compartment for gear. All right, as we walk around to take a look at the inside of the truck, first thing you'll notice is these beautiful customer logos on the doors. Pre-lit logo, so it's lit up with the door open, headlights on. Very nice feature for fire departments, for any operators to show the name on their truck. And if it's something you're interested in, please let us know. As you look through this truck, a few things you'll notice about the design. One being the end tracks on the walls, 3 different locations. You'll see they've got a sharps container mounted on the wall at the action area. Other brackets that can be purchased, put into these tracks. As well as you'll see a seating position moves rearward in the truck, giving you an optimal location to the patient on the cot. In addition to that, you'll notice our recessed grab rails, which are standard in all AV trucks. All antimicrobial powder-coated aluminum, all of our grab handles. Another feature you'll see is our shaded door windows. This is what we call our next series model, which will be the next truck as well. But you'll see 2 switch panels on this truck as well. One on both sides of the truck. It's a multiplex electrical system. You'll see proximity lock on the drug cabinet door. Also, you'll notice a restocking feature here hinged up. A couple more things on the inside of this truck are our glove storage at the curbside entry door and at the rear door. Slotted for your glove access for different sizes of gloves. Also lighted cabinets throughout the truck. We have a recessed suction under the action area wall. And in addition, a very custom solid surface countertop trays with a sharps and trash built into the solid surface itself. The last truck we're going to talk about, we're very excited about, is a ARV demo truck built specifically for FDIC. First thing you know, it's a beautiful red truck. It's got the blackout package, fully loaded warning light, duo warning lights seen and warnings built into the same light heads. Again, warning lights in the skirt rail with ground lights built in. Yeah, and as we walk around this truck, you'll notice, again, the blackout package with a buckstop front bumper. Again, a replacement bumper to the front with air horns coming through. You'll notice the Arctic wedge on the front of the truck with warning lights. Again, with the floodlight underneath on both sides as well as the front facing forward. As we walk around the truck, the corner recess for the shoreline, not on the side of the truck, built into a recess to give you better access, better view as a driver. The oxygen rack on this truck is one of the easy assist slides that Mawson hardware mounted on the door. In addition to that, you see the intermediate compartment is built for double SCBA brackets onto the wall. It's got a roll-out compartment tray over the wheel well, tool tray. As we walk around the truck, again, the beautiful blackout package, tow hooks in the rear, kick panel lights down low. Again, traffic advisor built into the top of the body. This truck has a 360 camera system throughout. You'll notice the glove storage at the rear doors, from the outside on the street or getting in and out of the truck. But you also notice on this side here is a slide-out stair chair bracket. So, you know, this could be used if you decide to use a tool bracket here, anything, a stair chair bracket coming out. Stair chair fits in, easy access, easy in and out, easy lift and sit on. Talk about the inside of this truck real quick. So, first thing you'll notice is a lot of the accent lighting. The inside of this truck, a beautiful design truck, beautiful colors. One thing you'll notice as you walk around this truck on the inside, there's actually 3 switch panels. This truck comes with the Class 1 multiplex electrical system with the Ultra View panels. In the rear of the truck itself, there's 2 Ultra View panels, one on each side of the truck, curb side and street side, but also a smaller panel at the rear of the truck for just switches that individual may need for his purpose. And this is an aluminum cabinet design, so no plywood, aluminum, and composite is what's in this truck. At FDIC this year, we are introducing a new HVAC system. What we call it is the Arctic Core Advanced Positive Pressure System. What it does for us, it's the first ambulance-specific only built AC unit with positive pressure. So it's built for ambulances, to be used in ambulances, and it's built with a new manifold system, with a new tie-in system, you know, to where we're pushing air through the system. We're not trying to pull air around the cabinets, around the AC, the system itself, anywhere there's waste of efficiency. So now we're pushing air through the system, getting all the efficiency we can. And what that does, it gives us a 15 to 20% gain in efficiency on both heating and cooling from the time you start to the desired temperature you're looking to get at. We're looking for that air. We're trying to get the most efficiency out we can without working the system any harder than it has to work. Again, and the efficiency gain has been proven in the numbers we're seeing, and we're looking forward to introducing this and getting to start putting it into our trucks. If you have any questions about anything you've seen, anything you want to hear more about, please go to our website at www.aev.com. Go to Dealer Locator, click on your dealer, and please reach out to us at the factory. We'll get someone in touch with you. Again, we appreciate it. We look forward to seeing anybody here at the show. If not, we look forward to seeing you at a future show. And thank you again.